Hello, I'm Matt, welcome back to Workshop. I've had this knife in my pocket for over a year now, so I thought I'd show you what I've been carrying. It's a Victorinox Huntsman, but what makes this one different is the copper scales by Swiss Bianco. I always loved the A-Lox knives, but the trouble is, until last year none of them had scissors. So I got these scales for my Huntsman. What's great and what advantage they have over the A-Lox knives is that you can still put the little tools in. So I've got the toothpick, there's room for a pen, but I don't like the pens, so I've left that out. Got the tweezers, and it even has room for the pin to go. It's adds some weight, and it's a chunky knife to start with. So now that there's a Pioneer X out, I might upgrade to that. But all in all, it looks beautiful, and I'm very happy with it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.